Hello everybody, my name is Trushil Vyas. I'm going to NLS and I'm from KPB Hinduja College and I got Air 7 in CLAT. So for me, I chose law as a career because law is not a monotonous field. You know, there are different things you can do and it does not have the monotonity of other careers, and that is the main reason why I chose law as a career. So when I decided that I wanted to give CLAT, my parents and we searched up different CLAT coaching institutes, and CLAT Hostel was actually the first one that popped up. And you know, CP was actually offering demo classes at that point in time, and we decided to attend a few demo classes, and I really liked it, so we decided to enroll in CP. The most defining part in my preparation where CP helped me was with the GK. I was always lacking in GK, and you know, the different newspaper analysis videos, GK Perfect, and all the online classes, they really helped me with my GK. The second part where CP helped me was with the RC. I have always been a reader, but I mostly read fiction, and those kind of passages usually do not come in CLAT, and so all the RC passages that CLAT Hostel offered me really helped me crack CLAT. So one of the biggest tips that I would give aspirants is that you should prepare a lot in GK. GK can be a weird subject because you know, sometimes he'll ask really easy questions and sometimes he'll ask really obscure facts, and so you need to be very good with your GK to be able to handle it. The second tip I would give you is that you should not panic. Whenever you are feeling stressed, just take a break. Don't study for too long, you will overwork yourself, and that will only be problematic for you. Thank you. I came, I enrolled, I conquered.